I tried Safepal Case Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I got my hands on the Safepal Case Wallet, I wasn't sure what to expect. I've used harder wallets before, but this one promised a mix of security, style and convenience. After 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that the Safepal Case might be one of the best value hardware wallets you can get today. Unboxing it on day one, I was surprised by how compact it is, roughly the size of a credit card, but with a clean, premium design. It uses Bluetooth to connect to your phone via the Safepal app, meaning no messy cables or clunky screens. Setting it up was straightforward. You generate your recovery seed on the device itself, fully offline. That means your private keys never touch the internet, a big win for security. By day 2, I started transferring crypto in. The app supports over 100 blockchains and thousands of tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chain and Solana. The interface makes it easy to track prices, balances and recent transactions. On day 4, I tested its staking and swapping features. Safepal integrates directly with DeFi protocols, so you can earn rewards or trade tokens without exposing your private keys. The connection via QR codes and Bluetooth felt secure and seamless. By day 6, I compared it with competitors like Ledger and Trezor. Here's the surprising truth: Safepal offers similar functionality at a fraction of the price. Plus, it's designed with mobile-first users in mind, which is perfect for people who prefer managing crypto from their phone. After a full week, my biggest takeaway was this: Safepal delivers top-tier hardware-level protection without complicating your crypto life. If you want security that travels with you without spending hundreds on a device, the Safepal Case might just be the perfect middle ground between safety, simplicity and style.